The hardest part of learning English is not learning, it's unlearning. Most adults don't like hearing that, but it's true. You are not stuck because you don't know enough. You are stuck because you learned English in a way that trained you to freeze. I'm George Alex, and I've been a fluency coach for over 35 years. I help adults get over fear and frustration and activate their English so they can use it confidently and freely, and you can do it too. Here's what I've seen again and again. School trained you to wait before you speak, to avoid mistakes, study for tests, collect rules. That system gave you your current results. You understand English, but you don't use it confidently. Now comes the difficult part. You don't just need to learn differently. You need to unlearn first. Unlearn the habit of overthinking. Unlearn the belief that mistakes make you look incompetent. Unlearn the reflex to stop mid-sentence or go back and correct your mistakes. Unlearning is harder than learning something new. It requires a change of mindset and a lot of discipline, a change of concept and a change of daily behavior. And then you must build new habits. Speaking before you feel ready, finishing imperfect sentences, practicing daily, even when you don't feel motivated and when there's no test coming next week. That doesn't happen by watching videos. Let me ask you something. How did you learn to ride a bike? Did you watch tutorials for 6 months and then suddenly rode perfectly? No. You got on the bike, you wobbled, you nearly fell, maybe you did, I did. Someone guided you. Same with driving a car. You didn't learn by collecting rules about traffic, did you? You practiced. You got feedback from your instructor with correction at the right moment to improve and to build confidence. Language fluency is a physical skill. It lives in repetition and guided practice and the feedback from your coach. If you try to rebuild your speaking habits alone, you will default to your old patterns. That's normal. That's why coaching matters. And when your coach says bravo, your confidence soars to the sky. If you're serious about changing your results, book a free Zoom call with me. We'll look at where you are, what habits are blocking you, and how to design a simple activation strategy that fits your busy life. The link is in my bio. Different habits bring different results. So let's build properly so that you go over the fears that have been stopping you all your life and open the door to a different future, shall we?